Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Census 2027 Learning Hub. So today also we will draw few more HLBs in the HLBC portal, right? So this is the portal I have logged in. So I have searched it. I will create HLBs in this location. Let's say first we need to do geotagging, right? So we'll geotag it to be geotagged, and let's say any village we will consider. Okay. So let's say this is the Dheeraj store we have taken as a landmark. After that we'll complete it. Okay, landmark name Dheeraj store, and then we will complete it and save it. Once it is saved, it will move to the demarcation, right? In the demarcation we will create the HLBs like this, right? From start will be here to here, then here. One condition is there that we need to keep the HLB, we need to put the landmark inside the HLB boundary, right? Okay, one HLB is created, and now I will mark it complete. And another to be geotag, let's say another village. This is like this one is with the this will be the landmark. Its name is Durgapur LP School, right? I will make it mark it completed, and then I will save it. I am creating so much HLBs just for you, all that you will understand how I am making it, and it's very much easy, right? It's not tough. So you just follow me, you will get to know each and every crux of HLBC demarcation, right? Again I will create the HLB. It's very much easy, just click and drag, click and drag. Double click and then OK, and then change the status to completed and save it. Okay, HLB created. Again I will take some other village. Now I will put this as the landmark, Gehennath Baral, and then I will mark it completed and save it. After that I will mark the demarcation. Let's say from here I will start. And now I will double click it and then change the status to completed and save it. In this way I can create as many HLBs as required as per my village boundary is concerned. Okay, say another HLB creation. Now I will, let's say Prasad Bhattarai, I will keep this at a landmark Durga Prasad, right? And now I'll change the status to completed and save it. After saving, it has moved to the demarcation, and now I will demarcate it like this. Double click it, it got saved, and I change the status to completed. This is the entire concepts of demarcation. I think it is now clear to all that how we are doing the demarcation, right? So there is no under in progress. If we see here also, there is nothing under. One Bejupara is, I will change it to completed, and then I will make the, let's say this is the earlier HLB that I have created. So I will change the reshape it, and I will include this portion also into this same HLB. Okay, So for increasing the HLB size, I will start from inside the HLB. I will include this area also. And then I will double click it. As I need to increase the HLB size, I have started from inside the HLB and I have completed it and put my cursor after totally tracking the HLB that needs to be increased, and then after double clicking it inside the HLB, earlier existing HLB, you can see the impression that this portion will be included into this HLB, right? So after that, if we are doing the completed and save it, as you can see that the size has been increased. So in this way we will be demarcating the HLB. I hope that this demarcation concept is clear, right? So in case of any doubt, please write it in comment that what exactly you want, then I can make the videos accordingly, right? So this was basic this was HLBC, how we are demarcating the demarcating concepts I have explained in this video. And I will make some few videos on the concepts, exactly how, what is the concept of and what is the flow of various functionaries in CMMS, right? So I will make a detailed video explaining each and everything of various functionaries, how the census 2000 digital census working, what are the different parameters and what are the different functionaries, how they will be working. Everything I will explain using another video. So please hit and like and subscribe this channel, as this channel will be very much useful for you in this upcoming census, digital census 2027, as more and more videos will be coming which will be directly emphasize on various tools that will be using in census 2027. I hope this video is useful to you, right? So thank you and have a nice day.